And I think what I really like is that I think because of this situation here, your hair doesn't get as hot as when it's like smashed in between the plates. So it'll still straighten, but it's not like hot to the touch. Like when I use a regular flat iron and I do one pass over my hair, I can feel the heat in my hair. But with this one, like by the time I get through the section, like this little piece, watch. I'm gonna do this and then I'll touch it and I'll tell you if it's hot. Warm, maybe? Like a little warm? I don't understand. I think it's because the heat goes through the plates. Like it goes through that little section. So if you guys watch Sheer Genius, Key, I love her. I've been watching her, God, I don't even know how long. The reason she said 2 passes is bad is because what happens is as I'm taking the flat iron through my hair right now, the inner cortex of my hair is hot. Now, if I go over it again, like right now while it's still warm, not only is it the heat from the flat iron, but it's also still the heat, the residual heat that's left in the cortex. So it's no longer just 390, it's 390 plus what's in my hair right now, like the heat. Like right now there's no heat, but I mean like if you're doing 2 passes, like I go over and then over, you get what I mean? That's what's causing a lot of the dryness from the inside out, which leads to breakage, which leads to split ends and all the other things. And also it's what leads to a lot of heat damage because you're going over the section twice in a matter of like 5 seconds and it's no longer just 390, it's closer to like 350 or even higher. And it's going to basically, you know, it's going to, what are words? It's going to, it'll end up fragmenting or destroying the outer cuticle of your hair, which again leads to the breakage and all the other things and the heat damage that we want to avoid. So I've been silk pressing my hair. This is probably my 3rd silk press. And with this flat iron specifically, and my hair like loves it. My curls look absolutely juicy. They're still beautiful. They're still bouncy. I don't have any straight pieces. Like my hair is healthy. So that's all I can ask for.